Hello my dear students. Today we are going to study the chapter simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Linear equation two variables means what? Linear equation in two variables means a linear equation having two variables. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here x, y are two variables and this is a linear equation because highest power is 2. So this is linear equation. Now, how to solve the two linear equations of two variables simultaneously? So there are three methods. First is substitution. Second one is elimination method. And third one is cross multiplication. Okay, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now we shall discuss these methods one by one. Okay, now we shall discuss these methods one by one. Substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Let us start by giving an example. Okay, let me take an example. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and second one is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. As you know, the general equation, linear equation formula is ax plus by general form plus c is equal to 0. It is linear equation में पढ़ते c is the constant term and b is the coefficient of y, a is the coefficient of x. This is your general form of linear equation. आपको mind में रखिए कि मैं आपको solve करिबा. Okay. Now 3x plus 4y equal to 10. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. And this one is substitution method first kariba, equation number 2. Clear? So in substitution method, first thing is first solve one of the given equation for one of its variables, either x or y. Kaha ko gote subject kariki ame ako kariba solve kariba. For example, y ko subject kariya ko thile that 3x equal to asle becomes minus 3x. y को जो सब्जेक्ट करिबा 4y इक्वल टू 10 minus 3x. Therefore y is equal to 10 minus 3x divided by 4. So this is the value of y. On putting the value of y in equation, in the above equation, on putting the value of y, so it becomes 2x minus 2 into 10 minus 3x divided by 4, that equal 2. So we can solve it. This will be 2. So 10 minus 3x divided by 2 equal to 2. On taking LCM, 2 into 2x is 4x minus multiply karna ba. So minus it becomes 3x equal to. So here 4x plus 3x 7x, 7x minus 10 equal to cross multiply 2 into 2 4 ekala. So 7x equal to 4 plus 10, that equal to 14. Therefore x equal to 14 by 7. 14 divided by 7 means 2 is your answer. So x answer is x is 2. The answer of x is 2. Answer of x is 2. This is your answer. Okay. Now, on putting this value here, y कितना है 3 into 2 by 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 by 4 equal to 1. तो दिस इज योर सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड आम सॉल्व करके आंसर नहीं आसले नाउ सेम इक्वेशन को आम यूज करके एलिमिनेशन मेथड को पुट करवा आंसर सेम आस चेक करिया तो हियर जो 2 and 1 आसिला योर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट you can check it just you put the value where at x and y so 3 into 2 the value of x so 4 is 1 so this is 6 plus 4 equal to 10 so your answer is correct if you put the value of x and y here your answer becomes 2 this is 2 so answer correct अच्छी कि ना हमें check करिबा ए वे रे now the elimination method substitution method बुझीगले now the second one is elimination method equation हम कौन थिला equation कौन थिला ना equation कौन थिला हमर first equation टा equation थिला 3x equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 आउट थला 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 so here elimination method हम यूज कले either y or x कोटा को गोटे हम एलिमिनेट करिया पड़ियो एलिमिनेट मेथड रो प्रोसीजर होची anyhow we can eliminate any one variable either y or x in each equation so if we decide first y eliminate करिया को जीवा में here so हमें कौन करिया y रो वैल्यू सेम करिया पड़े and साइन भी अपोजिट करिया पड़े here साइन ऑलरेडी अपोजिट अछि वैल्यू बट सेम नहीं ये 4 अछि 2 अछि so this is your equation 1 this one equation number 2 so equation 2 को 2 जरी हमें मल्टीप्लाई करनबा so it becomes 4 है तो हमें ओनली गोटे टर्म रे ही हमें मल्टीप्लाई करि परिबनी एंटायर इक्वेशन रे से वैल्यू को मल्टीप्लाई करिया पता अपन लिखिया केमती इक्वेशन 1 into 1 किछि भी चेंज करूने मींस 1 रे मल्टीप्लाई करिया 3x plus 4y becomes 10 and equation 2 is multiplied with 2 so 2 into 2 is 4x 2 into minus 2 is minus 4y is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 so here same value and opposite sign अछि तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन सेकंड इक्वेशन टा को हमें सेकंड इक्वेशन टा को सबट्रैक्ट करिया कि ऐड करिया अपोजिट साइन अछि माने हमें एडिशन करिया सेम साइन थिले सबट्रैक्ट करथांते सो किछ भी साइन चेंज हबनी प्लस मींस जाचा साइन सेम रहबो कैंसिल हो गेला 4x plus 3x is 7x and 10 plus 4 is 14 therefore x becomes 14 by 7 divided by 7 so your answer becomes 2 a single answer 2 now just you put the value on putting the value in equation 1 or 2 on putting the value of x in equation 1 or 2 तो 3x let equation 1 को हम नहीं 3y equal 10 x value is 2 x value is the value of x is 2 so 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10 so 6 plus 4y equal to 10 4y is equal to 10 minus 6 4y is equal to 10 minus 6 is 2 therefore 6 plus 4y equal to 10 4y is equal to 10 minus 6 therefore y is equal to 10 minus 6 equal to how much 4 so 4y equal to 10 minus 6 4y is equal to 4 therefore y equal to 4 divided by 4 that equal to 1 so x and y answer पाइगला this one is elimination method now the cross multiplication method हमें सीखिबा cross multiplication method trick कोन अछि देखिबा so to solve the cross multiplication method दीटे जक इक्वेशन को हमको जनरल फॉर्म को आनिया पड़िबो मींस ए जो कांस्टेंट टर्म रा इक्वल रो राइट साइड रहउतला ताको हमें लेफ्ट साइड को आनिया सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को हमें केमति लिखिबा first equation we can represent it as 3x plus 4y plus minus 10 is equal to 0, and the second equation written as 2x plus minus 2y plus minus 2 equal to 0. सो आपको आम सल्व केमती करिया आप ट्रिक होची मेथड मन रख दी तीन मेथड अच्छी बुक रे जो फॉर्मूला देखी देची फॉर्मूला मेथड से मेथडटा जस्ट मुझे सल्व करके सहज रे कम टाइम पे तुम केमती लिखिपर बुझे दूची ओके ताको नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आम एलाबोरेट करके बुझीबा x माइनस वाई 1 एमती लिखि नब लिखला परे वैल्यू ऑफ x अंडर रे कौन रहिबो डिनोमिनेटर रे से समय कौन करिबो ना आपको x आपको हमें इग्नोर करिया आपको इग्नोर कले हियर आसला +4 इंटू डायगोनल को मल्टीप्लाई करिया +4 इंटू -2 -8 ओके नाउ -2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ -10 माइनस मझे पकेबो हियर -2 इंटू -10 that is -2 into -10 how much +20. Similarly y को जो आम लिखा y अंडर रे y को आम छुपे दबा को इग्नोर करिया y को इग्नोर करी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया कोटा को 3 को कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x को एक कांस्टेंट टर्म से 3 into -2 -6 minus 2 into -10 -20 and finally it कांस्टेंट टर्म 1 थला तो कांस्टेंट को हमें इग्नोर करिवा कांस्टेंट को इग्नोर कला परे वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई 3 into -2 3 into -2 the coefficient of x and coefficient of y को मल्टीप्लाई करिया 3 into -2 -6 minus 2 into 4 8 ओके इजी अछि बुझी परिचो अको सॉल्व करिया x by -28 is equal to -y divided by -6 plus 20 equal to 1 by -6 -8 -14. So result जो आसीगला आको ऑथेटिक लिखि नबा x by -28 is equal to -y divided by 20 -6 how much 20 -6 means 14 that equal to 1 by -14. So here x by -28 y by -14 और इथे अच्छी कांस्टेंट टर्म रे आसी 1 by -14. So you just return it as x by -28 equal to 1 by -14 and 1 by 14 equal to also 1 by 14. So answer केमते मिलिबो देखिबा आपको रब करते बैठो क्वेश्चन को ओके सो हियर x by -28 is equal to 1 by -14 by cross multiplication therefore x equal to -20 टा 1 पाको चल जीवो so -28 divided by -14 the result is 2 minus cancel plus आसीगला तो +2 आंसर आसीगला similarly and -y by 14 divided by 14 equal to 1 by -14 by cross multiplication -y into -14 equal to 14 so this is 14y equal to 14 therefore y equal to 14 by 14 right so your answer आसीगला एठी I hope you got it thank you